Hey there! Welcome back to Best Market Reviews. Today, we're diving into a game-changing product for anyone battling sore muscles, back pain, or post-workout stiffness, the APHERMA Muscle Massage Gun. Whether you're a professional athlete, a gym enthusiast, or just someone looking for relief, this massage gun promises to be your best friend. Stick around, because you don't want to miss out on this incredible tool that's making waves on Amazon. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below about your favorite recovery tool. Oh, and don't forget to share this video with your friends who need some muscle relief in their lives. Also, check out the link in the description to grab your own APHERMA Massage Gun from Amazon. Trust me, this one's a keeper. Product overview. So, let's talk about the star of today's show, the APHERMA Muscle Massage Gun. Priced at just $39.99, this beauty delivers professional-grade massage therapy in the comfort of your home or on the go. With over 11,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating on Amazon, it's clear this product is a fan favorite. Here's what makes it special. Deep muscle relief. Say goodbye to soreness and hello to relaxation with its powerful deep tissue penetration. Customizable experience. With 30 speed levels and 9 interchangeable heads, you can tailor your massage to suit any muscle group or sensitivity. Portable and quiet. Whether you're at the gym, office, or traveling, its whisper-quiet motor and long-lasting battery life, up to 6 hours, ensure relaxation anytime, anywhere. Asterisk. Benefits and performance. What I love most about the APHERMA Massage Gun is its versatility. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip even when reaching tricky spots like your back or shoulders. Plus, the easy-to-use LED display lets you control the speed and check the battery percentage with ease. Are you someone who's always on the move? This massage gun's portability is a game-changer. No power outlets, no cords, just grab it and go. And let's not forget how quiet it is. At under 50 decibels, it's perfect for use at home or in shared spaces without disturbing others. How to use it? Using the APHERMA Massage Gun is as simple as it gets. Choose your preferred massage head. Adjust the speed level using the LED interface. Target the sore or stiff area and let the gun work its magic. Asterisk. Pro tip. Start at a lower speed and gradually increase as needed to avoid overstimulating your muscles. Ready to experience top-tier muscle relief? Click the link in the description to order your APHERMA Massage Gun today on Amazon. With its unbeatable price and stellar features, this is a must-have for anyone serious about recovery and relaxation. Don't wait. Stock is flying off the shelves, and you don't want to miss out. So, there you have it. The APHERMA Muscle Massage Gun, your ultimate solution to sore muscles and post-workout fatigue. I've been blown away by how much this little device can do, and I'm confident you'll love it too. Let me know in the comments if you've tried a massage gun or have any questions about this one. And remember, hit that subscribe button for more honest product reviews and tips to make your life easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below to grab your APHERMA Massage Gun now. See you in the next video.